children. Can we all move on to today's topic? So, I have shown you few pictures here. From this, can you understand what is today's topic is about? You're right. Our topic is about homes. Especially today we are going to talk about homes of animals. So from this topic, what you can infer? Here, a small bird is collecting the twigs and it is making a nest. And it is laying the eggs in the nest. Once it gets hatched, it will start feeding the young ones. On the other hand, we are seeing how a mason builds a home. So in this lesson, we are going to see the types of homes. Natural homes, homes made by animals, homes provided by human beings, homes made by human beings, nesting habits of birds. Here we go. So, what you can see in this picture? It is a forest and animals are enjoying there. So, before we go into the topic, I want you to think, why should we have a home? Yes, that's right. Usually, homes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and also from all enemies. Human beings and all animals need a home to live in. If we doesn't have home, where do we work? Where do we sleep? Where do we eat? We doesn't have any place to do all these things. So we all need a home to protect ourselves. If you see some animals like lion, tiger, bear, monkeys, so all these animals will live in forest. So that is called as a natural place. Natural place means which is not made by human being. So they live in a natural place and they will enjoy to live in a natural place. While some can make their own houses. For example, if you take birds, they will build their own nest. Rabbits, so they can dig and make burrows where they will live. Now we move on to the next topic called natural homes, which are not made by human beings. So first one is, what is this? Yes, you are right. This is a cave where tiger, fox, sometimes you can see bear also, lion, lives inside a cave. Do we make this? No, it is made naturally with rocks. The next one is elephant. So usually elephant will move with their family and they will take rest under trees. Next, we see about zebras and giraffes. So zebras and giraffes will live in grasslands, and monkeys, you all know where monkey will live, right? Monkey will jump from one tree to another tree and it will live on branches of the trees. Children, can you all repeat these word ball words after me? First one is protect. 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 Please repeat. Protect. Protect. Environment. 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 Natural. 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 Caves. 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 Grasslands. Grass. Grass. Lands. 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 Burrows. 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 Shall we have a small recap on what we learnt today? So today we learnt about home. Why home is necessary for us? It is protecting us from heat, cold, rain and from all enemies. So few animals will live in natural places called forest. So you can see all wild animals living in forest, and some can make their own house like birds, rabbits. So next is natural home. As I said, tigers, foxes, lions, elephants, zebras, giraffes all will live in forest, and lion, tiger and foxes, sometimes bear also, lives in cave which is made up of rocks. Monkeys will live on branches of trees. Giraffes and zebras lives in grasslands. Elephants will move with their family and they will rest under a tree. Tomorrow we will see the other types of homes of animals.